Okay, I found another awesome use case for the text replacement option on Apple device. I'm not going to explain how to do text replacement. I will put a link to the video I did earlier that shows you how to do it exactly. But the use case I have now is, let's say you have a video or a URL that you want to use. For example, like I'm watching the new Lincoln Project video that has the dictator ad. I've been using that a lot. I don't want to have to type in that or go find that URL over and over and over again. So what I did is I created a text replacement. I'm suggesting that you use something of like an unusual sequence that would trigger the text replacement so that it doesn't mess with your regular day-to-day typing. So let's say, for example, you want to use that video, and I'm using poor Jay because she's so sweet and she's not going to mind. Test is my tweet, and then my unusual code is I put TZ1, brings in that. I'm going to delete that TZ1 because you don't need any more. And then I'm going to hit reply. So if you go to her contact, you will see, sorry Jay, you can delete this when I'm done. There it is. So if you have things that you want, I can have a TZ1, TZ2, TZ3, whatever I want. You can have whatever the symbol is to relink to whatever you want. And it saves a ton of time. Have a great day.